Welcome to TabSchool. TabSchool Educational Software is a bundle which consists of school management software, also known as ERP, classroom-based LMS, bus tracking, online video conference tools designed for educational purposes, K-12 content, and website management. In this video, we will have a look at the school management software, also known as TabSchool ERP. School management software helps to streamline day-to-day processes and administrative tasks. It assists in monitoring daily activities and organizes all the resources on a single platform. The definition of ERP is very similar. The only difference is that ERP is a general term and is designed according to big corporates, while school management is designed keeping in mind the requirements of school admins, teachers, parents, and students. Now, let's begin our tutorial. When you purchase TabSchool educational software, you are provided with a subdomain. For example, your school or institute's name is New Age International School. Then you can choose your subdomain as newage.tabschool.in. This subdomain is unique to your school and it is subject to availability. Subdomains make it easy for you, your teachers, parents and students to easily access the software. Reach out to TabSchool support executives in assisting you set up the software, or you can generate a support ticket at support.tabschool.in. When you open your application portal, you see your website. On top, you see the navigation menu and banner, which you can change at any time. Below that, you can add news about your school and blogs. You can even list public events through the notice board. You can list the features of your school. You can customize each page of your website. Watch the video of front-end settings. Now, click on Login to access the school management software. You will now see the dashboard, a summary of the entire school's activity. You will see income and expenses in monthly and yearly format. Below that you will see a notice board, calendar, and to-do list. The calendar contains all the events. In the to-do list, you can add your reminders and tasks. As for the notice board, you can add notices right from the dashboard. Watch the video on how to add notices made separately for you. Lastly, on the left, you see the entire side navigation containing many modules and submodules. Now that you have got yourself acquainted with the software, let us start setting it up.